All right, another great point that vapor honing is superior to dry blasting is in the fact that all consumables in a vapor honing cabinet, abrasive, nozzles, gloves, hoses, floors, windows, any consumable in a vapor honing cabinet will last 8 to 10 times longer than a dry blasted cabinet. Obviously, this is a huge impact on a customer's bottom line. Their direct expenses per year are going to decrease when using a vapor honing cabinet. So you can think about it this way. If they're using abrasives, 200 pounds of abrasive a month, we're going 8 to 10 times longer on 25 pounds of abrasive. So that 200 pounds significantly is reduced due to the fact that we use 8 to 10 times less and we extend the consumable life 8 to 10 times versus a dry blasting cabinet. So hopefully that helps a little bit with longevity and consumable lifespan.